So today from SUCI Communist Party, this protest is being organized here. Not just old people, many widows, many handicapped people are also part of this protest today. They have come from various parts of Bangalore, from slum areas and very downtrodden places they have come from. Today their problem is very simple. From past 3 months and 4 months, they are not getting the pension. So they used to get pension starting from 600 rupees to 1200 rupees. They used to get monthly pension. Now that has been stopped. In Karnataka, actually 80 lakh pensioners are there. Among this 80 lakh, now what has happened is, among this 80 lakh, 23 lakh people pension has been stopped in the name of verification. In the name of verification and the KYC problems they are quoting. But the issue is, people don't know. People don't know that they need to give income certificate for verification, that they need to go to banks and post office and get this KYC done. They don't know. There is lack of information, no communication. They are just waiting. As such, this pension are not coming on time. Many times this pension come once in 3 months, 4 months. So they are waiting, thinking it is only delay, but it is not delay. It is not a delay. This is actually, they have been dropped from the list of pensioners. They don't know. So this is actually a betrayal that our government is doing to this senior citizens who have actually spent their whole life serving this society by working in various professions, by paying taxes. They have served this society. Now it is the responsibility of the society to take care of them in their old age. Now you are seeing children are not taking care of the old people. Many single women are there, widows are there. They don't have anybody to look after them. So many are telling, okay, 1,000, no, what will happen? What are they going to do with 1,000? If they are not receiving 1,000 for a few months, so what is the big problem? But I think these people are really, they don't know the reality of our country, our state. These people on that 1,000 rupees, they depend for sugar medicine, BP medicine, many medication, they depend on this money. If this money is not there, they are suffering. They are not taking sugar medicine and some of them have died because of lack of medicine. So people who are talking, there are people who have money, house and everything, and they have food to eat, they are comfortable. But these people, for the 1,000 rupees, they are depending. They have small houses, joplis, and they are living there. So they are working, even at the age of 80, they are working. So this 1,000 rupees is very, very crucial for their survival. So we demand from SUCI Communist Party that the government should immediately give all the pending amount from 3-4 months that they have not given. The pension amount should be given to them immediately. Whatever verification KYC they are talking about, they can do it later. And they should not demand people to come to their offices. These people cannot come. They are old people, they are handicapped people. They cannot come. You appoint officers for area. You appoint officers. They should come, hold this pension adalat, and they have to solve the problem, collect the necessary documents, do the necessary verification. You give pension to them. Don't demand them to come to your office. Before anything, first you have to give them pension immediately. Afterwards, you do all this process.
Any plans of meeting the concerned minister with memorandums or anything?
Sir, actually, why we put our protest today is, since the sessions were going on, we wanted to do this protest on 25th actually. 25th, we did not get police permission for the protest. They told 8 protests are happening already, so we cannot give you permission for protest. So we got protest permission today, 27th. But unfortunately, sessions ended yesterday itself. Our aspiration was that if we protest today, some cabinet minister will come and listen to our pains. This was our expectation. But unfortunately, that has also gone down the drain now. We have also met all the officials, commissioner and all pension officers. We have requested them, these old people cannot come to your office. Please come to the protest spot and collect our memorandum. This is what our request has been. Still now they have not come. This is just the beginning, sir. If they don't give the pension immediately, in a very big manner we are going to protest.